Day 38 of Oscar Pistorius' trial in the North Gauteng High Court saw continued cross-examination of Professor Wayne Derman, that's by State Prosecutor Harry Nell. The two of them really don't get along very well, Derman often giving sarcastic responses to Harry Nell and Harry Nell snapping back, reminding him that it's not helpful for him to be sarcastic. Wayne Derman continued to suggest that Oscar Pistorius had higher levels of anxiety and that his flight or fight reflex was heightened, explaining why he chose to shoot through the bathroom door. But Harry Nell was very quick to point out that Derman wasn't an impartial witness because of his relationship with Oscar Pistorius, and he outright asked Derman if he believed that he was being objective. Derman said he was being objective, but every time Harry Nell asked him a question where it seemed the answer would contradict what Oscar Pistorius himself had said, Derman relied on phrases like, "I can't recall," or "I don't remember," and it did make it seem like he was favoring Oscar Pistorius. Another point of contention during the trial today was Oscar Pistorius' anxiety report. Now, Oscar Pistorius had scored 70 on this specific report, and Derman had said that that proves Pistorius' heightened sense of anxiety. Although Harry Nell said that this wasn't necessarily the case because the state psychiatrist, Dr. Karla Kotze, disputed that 70 was a high score. Now, Karla Kotze's evidence in court today, given by Harry Nell, was disputed by the defense, who got up and asked for an opportunity to consult Kotze or to cross-examine her. Harry Nell said that the defense had no place to do that because she was the state psychiatrist and also, as Judge Masipa ruled later in the day, because all parties had agreed to the psychological report and agreed on the findings. Now, of course, Kotze was one of the people who contributed to Oscar Pistorius' psychiatric report, and Masipa ruled at the end of the day, because everybody agreed on that report, the defense had no business in cross-examining or consulting with Kotze again. Now, you'll remember over the weekend, footage emerged of Oscar Pistorius walking around on his stumps. Nothing was mentioned in court today, although we did expect Judge Masipa to say something about it, perhaps especially because the defense are bringing legal action against the Australian news network. They say they obtained the footage illegally. But the footage shows Oscar Pistorius' mobility on his stumps, and at some stage, Oscar Pistorius, it appears that he's walking backwards on his stump. Now, Harry Nell asked Derman, could Oscar Pistorius do this? Derman said he didn't know, but we couldn't help but wonder if that wasn't a veiled reference to the video in court today. How will this case turn out? Well, only time will tell, but News 24 Live will be keeping you updated on the situation.